Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Future Learning. So in today's video we are going to see the mathematics subject. Okay, in that we are going to see the chapter 1 rational numbers. Okay, so what is the formula of rational numbers? Now we are going to learn it first, and the three topics we are going to learn here: properties of 4, but we are going to learn 3 importantly, and fourth one we know from first. So the 3 are important, so let's go towards it now. So first, our topic name is rational numbers. In that the formula is the numbers which are expressed in the form of p by q, where p and q are integers and q is not equal to 0. You know that this sign represent not equal, right? Yes. So where the downer part means the denominator should not be equal to 0. Means here we have p by q form. Let's think that here we have p by q form. Let's take in the form of 2 by 3. Okay, 3 by 2. So 3 by 2. Yeah, now 3 by 2 is a fraction. Now we can add with something also we can do that. But here if we have 3 by 0, we can do anything, but cancellation also we cannot do, like, so it is not defined. So for that sake p is also integer, q is also integer, but p is a sense it can be represented in the 0 form too, because if we have 0 up and 3 down, it is defined correctly. But if we have 3 up and 0 down, it cannot be defined. Okay, you have understood, right? So now let's take some example like 3 by 2, 6 by 5, 12 by 1. These are all integers and to the rational numbers and the fractional form, right? So now we are going to learn here the 3 properties which we have in this importantly. The 3 are closure, commutative and associative properties. So fourth one is also there, that is distributive property, DP. We can call it as GP in the short form. Okay. So DP is a sense distributive property, but this is a well-known property, so I am not recognizing it bestly. These 3 are important for us now. Okay. So let's learn first closure property, commutative property, associative property while doing sums. Okay. And if you want about the properties introduction part of the rational numbers chapter in the mathematics, you need to comment me before that I can make the new videos for that too, because if we understand the properties we can do the sums very easily. If not, we can't. So that's it. Please comment me, I can do something for it and I can make a video, introduction video. Okay, let's go towards the exercise sums now. Yeah, so our first bit, don't think that here we don't have anything to do. Okay, here we have some topics to learn. So first bit name the property involved in the following examples. Means we have some properties like firstly we need to learn what are the properties. Okay, let's see that all the properties which we have. So first one is closure, second is commutative, third is associative, fourth is distributive, fifth is additive inverse, sixth is multiplicative inverse, seventh is multiplicative identity, eighth is multiplicative additive identity, third ninth one is the role of 0, 10th one is the role of 1. These are all 10, okay, nearestly 10 introduction topics. So if you want about this, comment me please down before the chapter is completed. Okay, so now let's go towards the exercise sums. Here now, yeah, so Here now first bit is name the property involved in the following examples, right? So first our sums are first one and second one sums are blinking on the screen. You can read and see them. So as given in the textbook, we cannot write by like P by Q. So we'll think of writing like this. By sign is this in the computer. Okay, so do not confuse. And now we'll talk about, maybe already we have learned in the 6th and 7th classes about these three properties: closure, commutative, distributive and associative. These four are also concluded here, but also I'm saying the answers, so please understand yourselves, and if you have any doubt, ask me. Okay, by comments. Now first one is, so now let's solve it now. Okay, so firstly, for 8 by 5 plus 0 equals to 8 by 5 and equals to 0 plus 8 by 5. This is come under commutative property, right? So in the commutative property, the sense the same numbers are repeated again. So let's write it now. This come under additive identity now. Okay, because in additive identity, the same number is repeated in the answer. If we multiply the 8 by 5 in the both sides, we'll get 8 by 5 in the same answer. So that is called additive identity. So our answer is additive identity. Okay, I'll give A and I. Copy in your notes or in the textbook you want. Okay, so and essence here we have wrote additive identity. Let's go to the next sum, that is yeah. So now second one is 2 3 by 5 plus 1 by 2. This is come under distributive property, right? Because so here now A by additive identity first, then here distributive property come under D and P. Okay, under D and P, open the notes. Okay, so second one is G P, first one is A I. Okay, so let's go to the third one now. Okay, fine. So now we got the third and fourth one also. So third one is 3 by 7 into 1 equals to 3 by 7. That is 1 into 3 by 7. So that was multiplicative identity, right? Okay, the same number repeating, I said that identities. That is additive and multiplicative. We have two identities. So A and M. This is the M1. So firstly now M I. Okay. Now the fourth one is minus 2 by 5 into 1 equals to minus 2 by 5 into 1. 1. Okay. 1 into minus 2 by 5. So here the answer is 2 multiplicative identity, right? Because we got the same answer here. So here also the answer is MP. Now let's go to the fourth one. So yeah, we got the fifth and sixth too. Now fifth one is 2 by 5 plus 1 by 3. 1 by 3 plus 2 by 5. So this is the commutative property. Hope you understand. Commutative property in addition. Okay, so I'll write only CP. So commutative property, you write it in addition. Okay, CP in A. Okay, so now the sixth one is 5 by 2 into 3 by 7 equals to 15 by 14. This was under closure property, right? So closure property, closure property in multiplication. Okay, so these are all finished. So let's go to the next one. Yeah, so we got the 7th and 8th two here. The 7th is 7a, so this was the additive inverse, right? So I write it additive inverse. Okay, additive inverse. Now the 8th one is the x into 1 and x into 1 by x equals to 1 is not equal to x. Okay, then x is not equal to 0. So here we can conclude that x into 1 by x equals to 1 and x is not equal to 0. So here they are given, I'll write it here and explain you. So 8x into 1 by x equal to 1, and here in the bracket they give that x is not equal to 0, because so here we can take it as 1 and here too we can take it as 1, right? So if we take here both as 1, we can get the both multiplied, and here the both multiplied, we get the answer 1, right? So 1 is the answer here. I'm not adding to it. Yeah. So now the 8th one is multiplicative inverse, because there is multiplication, right? So inverse. Okay, so multiplicative inverse. And the last one is, and 9th one. Okay, so 2 into x plus 2 into 6 equals to 2x plus 6. 2 into x plus 6. So this was the distributive property, right, in multiplication. So let's just dp. Okay, so this is finished. So sum is finished. The sum is finished now. Okay, let's go to the second bit now, and I want to conclude you that in this video we are going to see that two bits, first and second. So do not worry, I'll make the more bits videos in the forward. Okay, so this was the first bit and next go to the second bit. Yeah, so second bit was this, and in this write the additive and multiplicative inverse of the following. So first let's see the first one. Here our first one is minus 3 by 5, and we should write the additive inverse and multiplicative inverse of the following. Okay, so additive inverse, firstly 3 by 5, in additive inverse we'll get 0 every time, and multiplicative inverse we will get 1 every time. So here now 3 by 5 plus and minus 3 by 5. Plus and minus gives us minus, right? So 3 by 5 minus 3 by 5, that is 0. Now in the multiplicative inverse, and here the minus and minus will be cutted and become the plus, and 3 by 5 will be gives us 1. Okay, means 3 by 5 and 5 by 3 gives us 1. I'll show you how. And wait, I'll show you how. 1 minute. Okay, so here they both are cancelled and we get the cancelled answer. Okay. Sorry. So now one second, I'll show you. Yeah. So now here the second one is, one second, yeah, so the second one is 5 by second one is 1. Okay, the 1 in this sense we will add or subtract, it gives us 0. So 1 minus 1 equal to 0. This was the answer. in the multiplicative inverse, 1 into 1 is this the 0, right? So 1 into 1. Third one is 0. In the 0 is the sense we'll get 0 if we add, subtract or multiply 2. Here 0 is as in, here 2 we will get, if we multiply with the 1 also, we'll get 0. So 0 1s are 0, 0 2s are 0, 0 is multiplied or answered as 0. Okay. So the fourth one is 7 by 9. Okay, hope you understand. So in the 7 by 9, additive inverse is minus 7 by 9 and it gives us 0. In this 7 by 9 into 9 by 7, this gives us 9 1s are 9, 9 1s are 9, 7 1s are 7, 7 1s are 7. It gives us 1. Okay, like this we need to solve the sums here. 1 minute, I'll show you how to do this now. Again, one more last one. So yeah, so the last one is minus 1. In the minus 1 is the sense we will get a plus 1 here. It gives us 0. Okay, in the multiplicative inverse, minus 1 is substituted with the minus 1 to get a plus 1, because minus signs will be cancelled, because 1 into minus is plus. And so here now the 1 into 1 will be 1 as the answer. So here the 1 and here the 0, the both are rubbed. Okay, correct answers now. Okay, thank you so much to watch my this video, and hope you all guys understood first and second bit how to solve this. And if you want an introduction video, as I told you twice, comment me. I can do any video and I can do any of the videos you want. Okay, so I love you all, and please like my channel, subscribe to my channel, like, share and comment to me. Okay, so and click the bell icon beside the subscribe button. Okay, so let's end this video till here. In the next video we will see third and fourth bits, how to solve them, and more bits too if you want. Okay, please comment me your feelings. Thank you. Bye.